Hidden deep in rainforests, perched across open savannas, and gliding through mountain clouds are some of the most breathtaking creatures on Earth. Their feathers shimmer like living gemstones, and their beauty feels almost unreal, making them not just fly, but explode with color. Join us in today's video as we witness 24 birds whose beauty and brilliance is enough to stop you in your tracks. Number 24. The Sun Conure. The Sun Conure is a brilliantly colored parrot known for its fiery yellow, orange, and red plumage, accented with green wings and blue-tipped feathers. Native to northeastern South America, it inhabits savannas, coastal forests, and palm groves in Brazil, Guyana, and Suriname. These parrots are highly social, usually seen in noisy flocks that communicate with loud, piercing calls. Agile and energetic, they spend much of their time foraging for fruits, seeds, nuts, and berries. Sun conures are intelligent and curious, often forming strong pair bonds that last for years. In the wild, they rely on tree cavities for nesting. Their vivid coloration helps them blend surprisingly well among tropical blossoms and sunlit foliage. Number 23. The Green-headed Tanager. The green-headed tanager is a small, dazzling songbird displaying a mosaic of emerald green, turquoise, black, and golden yellow feathers. Found primarily in Brazil's Atlantic forest, it prefers humid tropical woodlands and forest edges. Despite its vibrant coloration, it can be surprisingly difficult to spot among dense foliage. These tanagers are active and restless, moving in mixed species flocks while searching for fruits, insects, and nectar. Their short, strong bills allow them to feed efficiently on a varied diet. Green-headed tanagers often travel in pairs or small groups, maintaining constant soft calls to stay connected. Their plumage reflects light beautifully, making them appear almost jewel-like when sunlight filters through the forest canopy. Number 22. The Scarlet-chested Parrot. The Scarlet-chested Parrot is a small Australian parrot admired for its striking contrast of colors. Males display a vivid scarlet chest, bright blue face, and emerald green wings, while females are more subtly colored in green and turquoise tones. They inhabit arid and semi-arid regions of inland Australia, favoring grasslands, shrublands, and open woodlands. These parrots are often seen in pairs or small flocks, flying low and swiftly across dry landscapes. Their diet consists mainly of grass seeds and small plants. Scarlet-chested parrots are relatively quiet compared to other parrots, using soft whistles to communicate. They nest in tree hollows, carefully concealed to protect their eggs from harsh desert conditions and predators. Number 21. The Greater Bird of Paradise. The Greater Bird of Paradise is renowned for its extravagant golden flank plumes and elaborate courtship displays. Native to lowland rainforests of Papua New Guinea and parts of eastern Indonesia, it inhabits tall canopy forests, rich in fruiting trees. Males are dramatically adorned with shimmering yellow plumes and emerald throat patches, while females are smaller and more subdued in brown tones. During mating season, males gather in display areas known as leks, performing intricate dances and calling loudly to attract females. Their diet includes fruits, insects, and small arthropods. These birds spend much of their time high in the canopy, where their flowing plumes shimmer in filtered sunlight during spectacular aerial displays. Number 20. The Red-legged Honeycreeper. The red-legged honeycreeper is a small tropical bird celebrated for the male's electric blue plumage and bright red legs. Females, in contrast, are mostly green with subtle blue accents. This species ranges from southern Mexico through Central America to northern South America, thriving in tropical forests, plantations, and forest edges. Agile and energetic, they move quickly among branches in search of fruit, nectar, and insects. Their slender, slightly curved bills allow them to probe flowers and berries with precision. Red-legged honeycreepers often join mixed flocks, increasing safety while foraging. Their vivid coloration and rapid movements make them one of the most eye-catching birds in neotropical forest habitats. Number 19. The Hyacinth Macaw. The Hyacinth Macaw is the largest flying parrot in the world, instantly recognizable by its deep cobalt blue feathers and bright yellow skin around the eyes and lower beak. Native to Central South America, it inhabits Brazil's Pantanal wetlands, parts of Bolivia, and Paraguay, favoring palm-rich savannas and open woodlands. Possessing one of the strongest beaks among birds, it easily cracks hard palm nuts that few other species can open. Hyacinth macaws are highly social and form strong lifelong pair bonds. Their loud, resonant calls carry across vast landscapes. Despite their size and strength, they are gentle and intelligent, relying heavily on mature trees for nesting cavities and survival. Number 18. The Crimson Rosella. The Crimson Rosella is a striking Australian parrot recognized for its deep red body contrasted with vivid blue wings and cheeks, accented by black scalloped markings across its back and tail. Native to eastern and southeastern Australia, it inhabits forests, open woodlands, farmland edges, gardens, and suburban parks. Highly adaptable, it often thrives near human settlements. Its diet includes seeds, fruits, berries, blossoms, and occasionally insects or larvae. Crimson rosellas are usually seen in pairs or small family groups, communicating through clear, ringing whistles and soft chatter. They nest in natural tree hollows, sometimes high above ground for protection. Juveniles display mostly green plumage before gradually developing their rich crimson adult coloration. Number 17. The Kingbird of Paradise. The Kingbird of Paradise is a small yet extraordinarily vibrant species inhabiting the lowland rainforests of New Guinea and nearby islands. Males display a brilliant scarlet body, white underparts, an iridescent emerald throat patch, and two elongated tail wires tipped with circular green discs. Females are smaller and brown, blending effectively with forest foliage. During courtship, males clear display perches and perform elaborate dances, sometimes hanging upside down while flashing their bright plumage. Their diet consists mainly of fruits and small insects gathered in the canopy. Despite their size, they are agile and energetic flyers. The dramatic difference between male and female plumage represents one of the clearest examples of sexual dimorphism among birds. Number 16. The Lilac-breasted Roller. The Lilac-breasted Roller is among Africa's most vividly colored birds, displaying a striking combination of lilac breast, turquoise belly, green crown, and deep blue wings. Found across eastern and southern Africa, it inhabits open woodlands, savannas, and grasslands dotted with scattered trees. Its broad wings flash electric blue in flight, making it conspicuous against open skies. Lilac-breasted rollers hunt from exposed perches, scanning for insects, small reptiles, amphibians, and rodents. They execute swift aerial dives to seize prey with precision. Territorial by nature, they aggressively defend nesting sites located in tree cavities or abandoned woodpecker holes. Their vibrant plumage and bold hunting behavior make them iconic residents of the African savanna. Number 15. The Eclectus Parrot. The Eclectus Parrot is renowned for its extreme sexual dimorphism, with males displaying bright emerald green plumage and females showing deep crimson feathers with royal blue underparts. Native to New Guinea, northeastern Australia, and surrounding islands, it inhabits tropical rainforests and forest edges. These parrots feed primarily on fruits, seeds, blossoms, and leaf buds gathered high in the canopy. Their strong curved beaks efficiently process tough plant material. Eclectus parrots are intelligent, relatively calm, and often form small social groups. Females compete intensely for suitable nesting hollows in large trees, sometimes defending them for extended periods. Their vivid, contrasting coloration makes them one of the most visually distinctive parrots globally. Number 14. The Flame Bowerbird. The Flame Bowerbird is a brilliantly colored species native to the montane forests of New Guinea. Males display fiery orange and golden plumage contrasted by dark wings and tail, while females are olive brown for camouflage among dense foliage. This bird is famous for its elaborate courtship rituals. Males construct carefully arranged bowers made of twigs, decorating them with colorful berries, flowers, and other objects to attract females. During displays, the male performs energetic dances while showcasing his vivid feathers. Their diet consists mainly of fruits and insects collected in forest clearings. Flame bowerbirds are highly selective in mate choice, and females evaluate both the quality of the bower and the performance before selecting a mate. The male's creativity and dedication to attracting a mate are among the most fascinating courtship displays in the bird world. Number 13. The Bohemian Waxwing. The Bohemian Waxwing is a sleek, crested bird distinguished by silky gray-brown plumage, a black facial mask, and bright yellow and red wax-like tips on its wing feathers. It breeds across boreal forests of northern Europe, Asia, and North America, migrating southward during winter. Highly social, Bohemian waxwings travel in large, fast-moving flocks that coordinate closely in flight. Their diet consists primarily of berries, especially mountain ash, juniper, and crabapple, though insects are consumed during breeding season. They can eat substantial quantities of fruit daily to sustain energy in cold climates. Their soft, high-trilling calls maintain cohesion within flocks as they navigate winter landscapes. Number 12. The Mandarin Duck. The Mandarin duck is one of the most visually spectacular waterfowl species, especially the male with its ornate orange sail feathers, white crescent above the eye, deep purple chest, an intricate mix of green, blue, and copper tones. Native to East Asia, it breeds in wooded wetlands of China, Russia, and Japan, and has established introduced populations in parts of Europe. Unlike many ducks, mandarins frequently perch in trees and nest in tree cavities near rivers or lakes. They feed on seeds, aquatic plants, insects, and small invertebrates. Known for forming strong seasonal pair bonds, they are symbols of fidelity in East Asian culture. Their agility in both water and woodland habitats distinguishes them from most other duck species. Number 11. The Blue Dacnis. The blue Dacnis is a small yet intensely colorful species found across tropical regions of Central and South America. The male displays a brilliant turquoise blue body, contrasting black mask, black wings, and a slender pointed bill. A distinctive glossy sheen across its plumage adds to its striking appearance. It inhabits humid lowland forests, forest edges, and plantations, where it moves actively through the upper canopy. During feeding, they forage energetically among leaves and branches, often joining mixed species flocks. Females are comparatively green with blue accents, allowing subtle camouflage among foliage. Their diet consists mainly of fruits, nectar, and small insects. Wide distribution and adaptability make this bird both resilient and highly visible within its vibrant tropical habitat. Number 10. The Northern Cardinal. The Northern Cardinal is a bold, crested songbird widely recognized for the male's brilliant red plumage and contrasting black facial mask. Females are softer brown with warm red accents on the wings and tail. Native to North America, it inhabits woodlands, gardens, shrublands, and suburban areas, adapting well to human presence. Cardinals feed on seeds, grains, fruits, and insects, using their thick, conical beaks to crack tough shells. They are non-migratory and maintain territories year-round, often heard delivering clear, whistling songs. Both males and females sing, which is unusual among songbirds. Their bright coloration against snowy winter landscapes has made them one of the most iconic and easily recognized backyard birds. Number 9. The Collared Lory. The collared lory is a vibrant parrot native to Fiji, where it inhabits forests, coconut plantations, and urban gardens. Its plumage features bright green wings and back, a rich red head and chest, and a distinctive blue collar across the nape. Highly agile and energetic, it moves swiftly through treetops in search of nectar, pollen, fruits, and soft seeds. Its brush-tipped tongue is specially adapted for feeding on flowers, making it an important pollinator within its ecosystem. Collared lories are social and often seen in pairs or small flocks, communicating with sharp, high-pitched calls. They nest in tree cavities and display strong pair bonds. Their adaptability allows them to thrive even in human-altered landscapes. Number 8. The Scarlet Macaw. The Scarlet Macaw is a large, brilliantly colored parrot known for its vivid red body complemented by bright yellow and blue wing feathers. Native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America, it inhabits lowland forests, river edges, and humid woodlands. Possessing a powerful, curved beak, it feeds on nuts, seeds, fruits, and occasionally clay from riverbanks to neutralize plant toxins. Scarlet macaws are highly intelligent and form strong lifelong pair bonds, often flying in synchronized pairs high above the canopy. Their loud, harsh calls can be heard across vast forest distances. They nest in large tree cavities and rely heavily on mature forests, making habitat loss a significant conservation concern. Number 7. The Painted Bunting. The painted bunting is often described as one of North America's most colorful songbirds. Males display a vivid combination of blue head, red underparts, and bright green back, while females are uniformly green for camouflage. They breed in the southern United States and parts of Mexico, favoring brushy woodlands, forest edges, and overgrown fields. During winter, many migrate to Mexico, Central America, and the Caribbean. Painted buntings feed on seeds and insects, particularly during breeding season when protein is essential. Despite their bright coloration, males can be surprisingly secretive, staying hidden within dense vegetation. Their sweet, musical songs and striking appearance make them highly sought after by birdwatchers. Number 6. The Resplendent Quetzal. The Resplendent Quetzal is a luminous bird of Central America, celebrated for the male's shimmering emerald green plumage and extraordinarily long upper tail coverts that can extend beyond 60 centimeters. Its chest glows crimson, contrasting sharply with metallic green feathers that shift color in changing light. This species inhabits montane cloud forests from southern Mexico to Panama, favoring high-altitude regions rich in wild avocado trees. Primarily frugivorous, it also consumes insects and small invertebrates. Quetzals nest in tree cavities carved into decaying trunks. They are generally solitary outside breeding season and move quietly through dense canopy layers. Revered in ancient Mesoamerican cultures, the bird remains a powerful symbol of freedom and biodiversity. Number 5. The Andean Cock-of-the-Rock. The Andean Cock-of-the-Rock is a striking bird native to the cloud forests along the Andes Mountains of South America. Males are unmistakable, displaying brilliant orange or scarlet plumage, broad fan-shaped crests, and dark wings that contrast vividly with their bodies. Females are smaller and predominantly brown, providing camouflage among rocky cliffs and dense vegetation. This species inhabits humid montane forests from Venezuela to Bolivia, often near ravines and river valleys. Males gather in communal display areas called leks, where they perform energetic bows, hops, and vocalizations to attract females. Their diet consists mainly of fruit, supplemented with insects and small vertebrates. Despite their bold coloration, they remain elusive within thick forest habitats. Number 4. The Paradise Tanager. The Paradise Tanager is a small but intensely colorful bird found in the Amazon basin of South America. Its plumage forms a vivid mosaic of turquoise underparts, black head, bright green crown, and a red rump that flashes in flight. Inhabiting humid lowland rainforests, it prefers the upper canopy where it moves swiftly among branches in mixed species flocks. Its diet consists mainly of fruits and small insects gathered from foliage. Paradise tanagers are active and agile, rarely remaining still for long. Their high-pitched calls help maintain contact within flocks as they forage. The striking contrast of colors makes this species one of the most visually remarkable tanagers in tropical forest ecosystems. Number 3. The Rainbow Lorikeet. The Rainbow Lorikeet is a brightly colored parrot native to Australia and nearby islands. It features a deep blue head, vibrant green wings and back, orange-yellow breast, and a red beak that stands out vividly. Highly adaptable, it inhabits coastal forests, woodlands, urban parks, and suburban gardens. Rainbow lorikeets primarily feed on nectar and pollen, using their specialized brush-tipped tongues to extract food efficiently from flowers. They also consume fruits and seeds. Extremely social and vocal, they travel in noisy flocks and are often seen in large communal roosts. Agile in flight, they move rapidly between flowering trees. Their adaptability has allowed them to thrive even in densely populated cities. Number 2. The Golden Pheasant. The golden pheasant is a brilliantly colored bird native to the mountainous forests of western China. Males display a golden yellow crest, bright red body, deep blue wings, and an orange ruff marked with black bars that can be flared during courtship. Females are mottled brown, providing effective camouflage on the forest floor. This species inhabits dense woodlands and shrubby mountain slopes, where it forages primarily on seeds, berries, shoots, and insects. Golden pheasants are ground-dwelling but can fly short distances to escape predators. During breeding season, males perform displays by spreading their ruff and calling softly to attract females. Their striking coloration has made them popular in aviculture worldwide. Number 1. The Gouldian Finch. The Gouldian Finch is a small, vividly colored finch native to northern Australia's tropical savannas. It is known for its bright purple chest, yellow belly, green back, and striking head colors that may be red, black, or yellow, depending on the individual. These finches inhabit open woodlands with scattered trees, particularly near water sources. They feed primarily on grass seeds and move in small flocks outside the breeding season. Gouldian finches nest in tree hollows, often relying on suitable cavities in eucalyptus trees. Although once abundant, habitat changes and altered fire regimes have reduced wild populations. Their remarkable coloration and delicate appearance make them one of Australia's most distinctive native birds. If you enjoyed the video, remember to hit like, subscribe, and comment which bird you found most breathtaking. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.